Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Lippy. This week, I'm taking a vintage pulley that I got from a buddy of mine and turning it into a reading lamp for my wife in our upstairs chair in our bedroom. Let's check it out. I start out by cutting this 4x4 post into 12.5-inch sections with 30-degree angles at either end. Obviously, I get my elbow in the way. Sorry about that. After cutting them all, I put them all together in a triangle form, and this will make the base for this lamp. Here I'm just drilling out some pilot holes for the lag bolts that'll connect the triangle pieces together. Once I had them drilled out, I just screw in these lag bolts and attach them. Here I'm just drilling a couple holes for the lag bolts that will connect the base to the rest of the lamp. To get the angle I wanted for the post section, I had to play around a little bit. This was about a 15-degree angle. This was about a 10-degree angle. And I went in between about a 12.5. Here I'm just screwing on the top, and I'll put an eye bolt in, and that will be what holds the pulley. Quick sand just to round over all the edges and get it ready for some stain. And here I'm just using a dark Kona stain from Varathane. I like the way it looks and I've used it a lot, and it turns out really good. While I let this sit out and dry, now I can focus on the pulley section. This was the easiest part of this build. Just hook up a bulb assembly, run it through this pulley, run it through the post itself, and then hook up a plug. This one's pretty much done. I decided to staple this vintage cord to the back just to kind of keep it out of the way. I think it worked out really well. Hope you like this video. Hope you comment, subscribe, and share. Now to just screw in the light bulb, and this project is complete. Now this lamp really is huge, and it really is overkill for the space that it's going in. But the way I look at it, if I had it all to do over again, I would have chosen a smaller material other than this 4x4 post. But looking forward, if we were to ever sell and move, this would make a great screened-in porch outdoor furniture piece. And so we'll keep it for a while. Thanks for watching the video. $376. Man, that many people want to watch my videos. It's crazy. Oh, hey. Just sitting here looking at my subscriber count under this cool lamp I just built my wife. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification, and you can be one of the 376 people or more that I have as a subscriber. Hope you do. Hope you all have a great day. Go make something awesome. 376. Should be more.